I'm going to show you a couple common mistakes people make when setting up their DNS records in Cloudflare for tools like Braze, and how to fix these issues in seconds. When an email support team has flagged DNS implementation issues with my past clients, there are a few common culprits that I always check first. With these fixes and DNS properly configured, recipients are going to know that you're a trusted sender when your message lands in their inbox. The best way to illustrate these issues is going through a sample record that's similar to real ones that I've received when setting up email with Braze. This is a sample setup for covalentmarketing.com. The first thing that we'll double check is to make sure that we're not appending the root domain that you've already set up in Cloudflare to the record. So as you can see, it gives you a preview and it's already appending covalentmarketing.com to the record. So then we'll just go in here and we'll set the actual value that we got from the record, and then we'll save it. The second common mistake is proxying. This is commonly mistaken as the default state in Cloudflare is set to proxied, but excluding link tracking for CNAMEs and A records, you have to set them to DNS only or gray cloud. However, as I mentioned, your click tracking CNAME record that is going to point to SparkPost or SendGrid, this one is pointing to SparkPost, is going to be turned on to proxied as you're going through the final setup steps. And as a result, Cloudflare is automatically going to generate and manage the SSL certificate, and this really simplifies the process a lot. Thanks for watching. And if you need an email or Braze expert in your corner, subscribe or contact Covalent to learn more about what we can do for you.